Hello friends, let us learn a few more concepts about electricity in this video. Dear students, you are going to learn about electric fuse, construction of electric fuse, working of fuse and applications of a fuse. What is electric fuse? A fuse is an electric or electronic device which is used to protect circuits from overcurrent, overload and make sure the protection of the circuit. Electric fuse was invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1890. There are many types of fuses, but function of all these fuses is same. What is electric fuse? A electric fuse is an electric or electronic device which is used to protect the electric circuit from overcurrent, overload and make sure the protection of the circuit. In another word, this electric fuse acts as a safety device in an electric circuit which protects the circuit from overcurrent and overload. What is this overcurrent and overload? So overload means a current greater than that which a circuit is designed to carry. And what is overcurrent means? It is also called as excess current. So it is a situation where larger electric current exists through a conductor leading excessive generation of heat, which in turn lead to the damage of what? Equipment. So how it will protect the electric circuit? I will explain in the working of a fuse. So let us learn how this electric fuse is constructed. Construction of a fuse. A general fuse consists of a low resistance and low melting point metallic wire enclosed in a non-combustible material. The fuse element is made of zinc, copper, silver, aluminium or alloy to provide a stable and predictable characteristics. Fuse is used to connect in a series with the circuit. Generally, fuse consists of a low resistance and low melting point metallic wire which is enclosed in a non-combustible material. What is resistance? I have already explained in the earlier class. It is opposition to the flow of a charge. So whatever the fuse element which is used in fuse, which is low resistance and low melting point, which is enclosed in a non-combustible material. Non-combustible means which does not catch fire easily. And whatever the element is used in the fuse, so it is made of zinc, copper, silver, aluminium or alloy. Alloy means the mixture of more than one metal which provide a stable and predictable characteristics. Fuse is used to connect in series with the circuit. That is, always fuse is connected in a series with the circuit. So this is all about the construction of fuse, and here you can see the picture of the fuse, how the fuse is constructed. You can see contacts, base and fuse wire and a fuse carrier. Contacts which contacts in the electric circuit, and base which is non-combustible substances, and fuse wire, just now I said we can use a copper, silver or any alloy, and which is having low melting point and low resistance, and fuse carrier. The fuse carrier is a cap to the fuse holder. It carries the fuse into the holder and secure the fuse in place. So this is all about the construction. So let us learn about how this fuse will work in electric circuit. Working of fuse. The working principle of fuse is based on a heating effect of electric current. Whenever a short circuit, overcurrent or mismatched load connection occurs, then a thin wire inside the fuse melts because of heat generated by the heavy current flowing through it. Therefore, it disconnects the power supply from the connected system. So, working of fuse. The fuse work on heating effect of electric current. So, whenever a short circuit overcurrent or mismatched load connection occurs, then what will happen? The thin wire inside the fuse melts. Why? Because heat generated by the heavy current flowing through it. So therefore it disconnect the power supply from the connected system. So what is this short circuit over current? Means a short circuit is when there is a low resistance connection between two conductors that are supplying electric power to a circuit. This would generate an excess of voltage streaming and cause excessive flow of current in the power source. And the electricity will flow through a short route and causes a short circuit. So whenever this short circuit or mismatched load occurs in electric circuit, so due to that excess current, what will happen? The fuse wire will melt because heat is generated. And what will happen? The fuse wire will melt and it will break the circuit. You can see here there are two circuit diagram here. So first one, you can see there are two wire, one is red and another one is black, that is live wire and neutral wire. So the fuse is connected in a series with what? A electric kettle. So when what is this live wire and neutral wire? A live wire carries the electric current to the appliances. What is neutral wire? Means neutral wire complete the circuit by forming a path for the current back to the mains. It is usually at 0 volts. In live wire 220 to 230 volt current will flow. So when the current start flowing through from the live wire and there is a fuse connected in series and here is a electric kettle. So when current passes through electric kettle, it will work. But you see in the next figure, from the live wire when current passes, excess current passes, you can observe the fuse wire will melt and it will break the circuit and current will not pass to the what? Electric kettle, and electric kettle will remains what? Safe from the excess current. So this is how the fuse will work. Next, applications of fuse. What are the applications of fuse? There are some applications. So these fuses are used to prevent the home appliances from the high current or overload damage. If we use a fuse in the homes, the electrical faults cannot happen in the wiring and it does not damage the appliances. So these are the two uses of what? Electric fuse. I hope, dear students, so you have understood whatever the concepts I have explained in this video. So we have learnt about electric fuse, construction of fuse, working of fuse and applications of fuse. Based on these concepts, here is a worksheet. Answer the following question. What is fuse? What happens if there is no fuse in electric circuit? Explain the working of fuse. Write two applications of fuse. So in next video, we will learn few more concepts about electricity. Thank you all.